Like a 4-minute video.
It's fine.
Just don't talk on it, son. Just record you.
See how he put it in his right hand and then his left hand. Now he just put it in his pocket.
Alright, let's take it. Funny.
Here we go. Now he's going to take the sugar shaker from counter 11 or 12, bring it over to 10. Oh wait, no, he's going to take the salt and pepper shakers from there. There you go.
Cool.
Now, here we go.
Now he's like on a roll. Oh, so that's in his pants now.
Mm-hmm.
Free.
You have to show me how to take a picture, because I'll go back and get a closer one of him.
I can't take a picture of that. I do a picture from the video.
Oh.
You took a picture of it on here, did you?
I took it from the video.
Go get it from, go get your camera.
Little flash.
You can turn the flash off.
Try.
So now you have your salt and pepper and your sugar shakers behind.
We didn't take the other sugar shaker yet. He's going to. He's readjusting the one that's in his crotch. There we go now for the other one. In his right pocket. Then he's going to get up and move to counter 1, 2, 3, counter 4. And he's going to attempt to steal the sugar shaker from counter 4.
Right next to these people? Or
Right.
no, this one?
Yeah, no, right next to those people, but after they leave. Because he doesn't want to draw attention to himself. That where he's sitting, there's nothing there anymore.
So that's why he moves.
Right. He's done this before, obviously.
What is he going to get for them? They're 50 cents at the dollar store.
He's probably getting them for his house. He's a cheap bastard. He doesn't have to go buy pepper, salt, or sugar anymore now.
Oh,
For a while.
like the actual condiment?
Never thought his pants fell off when he was walking.
See, actually, that's all I need on him right there. That's proof. That's proof enough right there.